Now, Vidarbha in Maharashtra has been a stronghold of the BJP. Now, in 2014, BJP won 6 seats, while the Shiv Sena won 4 seats. This time around, the Congress has posed a serious challenge to the BJP. Amongst the major fights, Nagpur is an important centre as senior BJP leader Nitin Gadkari is being challenged by Congress Nana Patole. The campaign will end on the 9th of April for the first phase of polls in Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. Mirror Now senior news editor Mandar Fanse accompanied Nitin Gadkari on the campaign trail.
It's been a long journey now. It's almost afternoon, 3 to 4 hours now. He is still campaigning. We'll just ask Mr. Nitin Gadkari what exactly he is doing for Nagpur and especially the youth of Nagpur. As far as this rally is concerned, tremendous response and everybody is appreciating. Why?
It is the love and affection of the people of Nagpur on me and my party. It is a great pleasure and pride for me, the poor people coming from the houses and giving me the blessings. It is really, I am very much fortunate that I am getting the blessing from all sections, all creed, sects, caste, religion, language, and even from across the party.
As far as the overall city is concerned, we are seeing everywhere construction is on, the metro is getting prepared. What is the vision for Nagpur, young India in a way, the youth in Nagpur?
Our dream is to make Nagpur as one of the best city in the country. We have metro now, broad gauge metro, we have cement concrete road, 24/7 water supply, electric taxis, ethanol buses. Now we are converting all buses on bio-CNG. So Nagpur is an experiment of innovations. And Nagpur is really a wonderful city. Now it is zero-mile city, it is tiger capital, and we are now going to start an international airport in Nagpur and one of the best railway stations in the world, designed by American architects in Ajni. We are making the station of 1200 crores. So that is really, Nagpur is going to change. I am really happy because this is my birthplace and I have love, affection, regards, everything for Nagpur.
Okay. As far as Make in India is concerned, Make in Maharashtra is concerned, what are you doing here in Maharashtra, here in Nagpur?
In Nagpur, in Mihan, we have already a lot of new companies are here. We have already given jobs to 25,000 youth of this area. In the next 1 year, we will again add 25,000. And in these 5 years, my target is giving employment to 50,000 youth of Nagpur and Vidarbha.
What is your take on the agrarian crisis across India and especially the youth who are searching for jobs?
I am working on agriculture, biofuel, alternative fuel, and diversification of agriculture towards energy, power and plastic. This is a mission of my life. I am working hard on it. Presently, I originally from my side create 15,000 jobs directly to the youth of rural area, and we are giving our all innovations, research to the all people. And I am confident in due course of time, we will change the socio-economic scenario of Vidarbha.
As far as Nagpur city is concerned, we are in the capital of Maharashtra in a way and at the same time the central India. What do you think this city is, it will look like in another 5 years, 10 years time?
It will be city will look like a planned smart city, 24/7 water supply. Then we are selling our sewage water to electricity board, getting 100 crore royalty. So this is an innovative experiment by which we want to make this city one of the best city in the country. And I am confident that we will achieve that goal.
As far as All India is concerned, when are you going to campaign for the rest of the candidates who are waiting for you?
After completing my election, from the next day, I will start my campaign all over India.
Are you confident about the NDA win across India?
100% I am confident because the politics of progress and development is the future. And this is exactly our development line, is our main concept and main mission for that. I am confident people will support us.
Do you think the caste kind of politics which is on in Nagpur also, they are trying to basically...
They who don't have anything to show their performance, they are using caste card. Even they are not belong to the city. They are coming from the other districts. Only they want to confuse the people on the basis of the caste. But people are enough intelligent. They are not going to play anything on the basis of caste. They are going to support development.
One last question. We are in the headquarters of RSS, and at the same time, we have seen you since a lot many years on the RSS dais also. Still, you have been considered as a moderate face in the BJP, and every other political line is also accepting your face.
I am proud of RSS. Whatever I am in now presently, people recognize me, respect me. That credit goes to Vidyarthi Parishad and RSS Samskar. I am very proud of it. RSS and Vidyarthi Parishad thinking is part of my life convictions.
But what about the moderate face? Basically, you have been seen as accepted by all the political lines.
This is up to you to decide about it. But this is whatever I am. It is the face of RSS and BJP Samskar. I feel that is exactly the image of RSS and BJP.
The last question, basically, everybody is talking about the prime ministerial candidature and prime ministerial face.
I already clear it. I am confident that we will get the reasonable majority.